Hi guys, time for another one of those wooden kits. I'm getting a bit short of them now. I've only got this one and that one left, and then I'm completely out, used up all my stock. So, well, might have to start going around the charity shops again. This one cost me £2. Not sure which charity shop it was. Obviously it originally came from Hobbycraft. And that looks like that's 4 sheets. So this is going to be quite big when it's finished. Well, that long. See how we get on. I'll do 2 versions of this video. I'll do the full length build and put that on my other channel. That's Grandad's other channel. And then I'll do a fast forward version and put that on my main channel. That is the original reason I started a second channel, because people wanted longer videos, they wanted more information. I was doing short videos and people would say, you know, I missed that bit, or you fast forwarded it, I was watching it. So that's what the second channel started with, the long videos. Right, if you haven't seen one of these before, all the pieces have numbers on them. Like that piece going along there has got 1, 2, 3, 22. And then you have to look at all the other bits and find the other one that's got number 1 on it. And put number 1 to number 1, number 2 to number 2, number 3 to number 3. But you don't go and look for number 22. You look for number 4 and find out where that goes. You have to do them in order. If you do them in the wrong order, it all goes horribly wrong. Looking at the picture, it looks like we need some string as well, or some cotton, but we'll worry about that later. I think we'll put some glasses on. I better clean them first. Probably the best way to do these is to go through that with a pencil and mark up all the numbers. That way you know that you've found all the pieces. Because if you do what I tend to do, which is just go straight in, you spend more time searching for the pieces than you do doing the build. At the very least you ought to try and find all the numbers. So number 1, can we see another number 1 anywhere? There's number 2. That's a good start. I can't even see the other number 1. There's number 3. So we're right for 2 and 3. There's number 1. So 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. Then where's number 4? Right, we've got 4A and 4C. There's 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D, 5A, 5B, 5C, 5D. Ah, I see what that is. That's 4A up to 9A. So 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A, 9A. That's building up the sides. That's all these here. So that'll get us all the way up to number 9. So where's 10? There's 10. That looks like that's one of the masts. There's 10. I'll just have one last go at trying to show how I'm doing that knot. So we want to go under and round, but we need that to come out that side, and then when we go round again, that's got to come out that side. And you want to tighten that up a little bit before it pulls tight. Yeah, I don't know whether trying to show you it going around the pencil helped or not, but that's what I've done with all the others. I'm also putting a little spot of glue on there, because I've no intention of taking it apart again. Finished. I didn't enjoy doing that rigging. Then again, the whole boat gave me trouble. There's just so many bits in the hull that weren't holding themselves together. Once we got the outside bits on, it was okay, but then somehow or other I skipped forward and hadn't done the deck and the whatever these bits are, cabins. Luckily that didn't matter, that I did them out of order. But yeah, that's it. Wooden puzzle 3D sailing ship. Job done. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description down below for more information. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you like that one, you might like to subscribe over here.